Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Carrington and I'm looking forward to taking this course, Health in the School Environment, with everyone. So why did I select this course? Well, I have a passionate interest in the health in the school environment. I currently volunteer once a week at a nearby private school helping to prepare and serve lunches to the students. The school takes pride in the fact that the prepared lunches are 90% made from scratch, and they always contain a protein, whole grain, fruit, vegetable, full salad bar, and healthy dessert. I also occasionally volunteer for DC Central Kitchen, specifically in the department that prepares healthy lunches for 12 DC public schools. While these schools obtain healthy meals and nutrition knowledge through these programs, I know that not every school is afforded the same opportunity. I'm excited to learn ways that every child from every walk of life in any school can be afforded the same opportunity to obtain optimal wellness through healthful eating and physical activity. I also selected this course because I want to learn to make health in the school environment a priority. What I mean by this is that I have a few friends and family members who are teachers, and they've expressed frustrations to me because a lot of health-related subjects are being reduced or cut in favor of increasing standardized testing preparation for their students. It saddens me because a lot of these students, besides school, don't really have access to learning about health. So school environment is really the only place where they can learn healthful behaviors because they're not learning these behaviors at home or any of their other environments. So it saddens me that the children are not learning this and that my teacher friends and family members are being frustrated by this. What are my expectations from this course? Well, it's to learn the knowledge and tools required to effectively incorporate health in the school environment that is accessible and engaging to children. I want the knowledge to be fun and easily accessible to the children. I want them to be able to learn it easily and implement it into their lives so they can grow up to be healthy adults. I also want to learn to incorporate health in the school environment in the home setting, community setting, and policy making setting. And I want to learn how all those settings work in concert to ensure that health in the school environment is operating at an optimal level. I'm particularly interested in learning more about policy making regarding health in the school environment, just because I don't know as much about that as I do the home setting and community setting. I'm interested to see their role in ensuring health in the school environment. How will I incorporate this course's concepts into my professional life? Well, my desire is to share sound nutritional knowledge in the community, particularly with children or others who do not have easy access to this knowledge. In some communities, schools just don't have the resources to teach nutrition or health-related knowledge to the children. Also, some children and adults as well don't have access to a professional nutrition professional or a dietitian in order to learn this knowledge. So since they're not learning this knowledge and they're not implementing healthful behaviors into their life, their wellness is not as good as it could be if they did have the knowledge. So that's my desire, is just to share the knowledge with people who don't have easy access to that knowledge. How does this course connect to other courses in the program? Well, when I thought about this, these 4 courses stuck out to me: Nutrition for Health Fitness, Life Cycle Nutrition, Health Communication, and Changing Health Behavior. In Nutrition for Health Fitness, we learned the base information for all the nutrients and how they function in the body. We also learn the benefits of a healthful diet and physical activity and the consequences of not eating a healthful diet or engaging in physical activity, to include poor health and chronic illness. Life Cycle Nutrition connects with this course because in Life Cycle Nutrition, we learn the unique health and nutritional needs of each life cycle. Since we're highlighting all the childhood life cycles in this course, it is important to remember and reflect on the specific needs of each of those life cycles. In both Health Communication and Changing Behavior, we learn the importance of effective communication in implementing behavior change. We also learn how to engage people in learning how and why they think a certain way. We learn how to set a person up for success through motivational interviewing and how to help them implement their perceived benefits of behavior change while overcoming their perceived barriers of behavior change. The ecological model is also an important concept to remember and apply to the information that we will learn in this course. Thank you all for listening, and again, I look forward to learning with you.